Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Hello guys, here is I have Samsung S21 AP. This phone is air speaker is problem. Sound is buzzing. Let me call, you can hear.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
You see sound is buzzing.
Hello.
Loudspeaker
Hello.
is okay, but the air speaker sound is not clear. So I'm gonna show you how to replace this air speaker. Let me open the back side first. Apply some heat on top of that. Now I'm gonna using open tools, lifting up a little bit, it's come out easily. And now we're gonna use some alcohol on side, so easy to remove it back side. And also we're gonna use it other side also, some alcohol is already look like lifting up. It's not a heavy glue, so easy to remove that back cover. It's come out easily. And now we're gonna remove this panel, and under that there is the air speaker. We're gonna remove all the screw. All the screw are same, star screw, all of them. We remove all the screw. Now we're gonna lift up this back panel. There is to clip a tongue clip it, and bottom side we're gonna apply some heat on a little bit far. We're gonna remove this glue on bottom side, remove this wireless charging pad flags. We just tap it up slowly with the hand and pops up with the finger on black panel. It's come out easily. You can see here is the air speaker. We have to replace this air speaker now. So I ordered the new air speaker from online. First we're gonna remove this wireless pad. This is the wireless pad, and there is put some glue on it under that, so you have to apply some heat and remove this wireless charging pad. Yeah, this just glue, there is nothing. Just slowly lifting up, and there is the connection, you can see. So we remove this wireless charging pad, and here is the wireless speaker, and there is the new speaker. So we ordered the new speaker from online, and now we're gonna put it back this wireless charging pad on top of that. And this connection goes on under that. Yeah, now we're gonna put it back on the phone and just press it down. And press it down the connection, the wireless pad connection. Here is the connection, this is the connection. You just press it down, and we're all set here. Now we're gonna put it back all the screw. This all the screw are same, all are star screw. We are done. Put it back all the screw. Now you're gonna check the air speaker, make sure it is working properly. Answer the call.
Hello. Hello.
Here you can
Hello.
see sound is clear now.
Hello.
The loudspeaker.
Hello. Hello.
Sound is shaking because we close to talk, that's why. So it's working properly. And now we're gonna put it back cover. The previous glue is very good, we don't need to put extra glue. Gonna put a back cover, and we're gonna apply some heat on all sides so glue is melted and stick will be good. Apply some heat on all sides. And then we're gonna press it down with the finger, and it's gonna be sticky the glue. And you can see it's closely nice back cover. Yeah, that's all right now. Let me know how you guys like it, and if you have any question let me know, and thank you for watching.